Welcome to Lesson 5 Part 2. What we're going to do is start making improvements on our theme park. So we're going to need Lesson 5 document still open and go into the second tab, making improvements, and you will notice that we have several cells, loan in the bank not yet spent. So we're going to need Lesson 1 map open, and I've got Eric's open at the moment. You can see I've got £13,230 left. So I'm going to keep these in windows so I can see what's going on. And I type it into the first cell, E3. And my total profit at the end of the first year. So I'm going to need Lesson 4 open, so I know how much I've got. And what I used in my last part, annual profits. Type this in, including my 10%. Make sure I get this correct. Let's have another look again. 2088,729.5. You can see it's rounded it up there. Total money in the bank now, so I need to do a formula. This is going to be an addition. So I can check this in task 7 of my booklet, and it tells me what I've got to go and add. I've also got to invest half of this money to try and improve my park. So keeping this in windows, I can see what's going on. Equals sum, open bracket, my loan left. So I'm going to use my loan, E3 plus E4. Money available to spend on improvements will be half of my total money, so I need to divide that by 2. Now my advertising costs, now I'm going to have to pay for my advertising costs, so if I go into task 7 I can check out the advertising costs, remembering that each one has a typing error, and so it's 10 times more than what it actually is. So I've got leaflets, TV commercials and radio. Now just read those carefully. Take time to pause now and read those carefully, because they will increase your attendance later on in year 2. So I'm going to use TV, so I'm going to take away 250,000 from my available money to spend, because I can afford that. So I should have just a little bit more than what I had to start with in year 1. You can see that I just put equals 7 there. And that's it for Lesson 5 Part 2.